I'm going to show you today how to set up a Bible reading program in Logos 4. So you'll notice we're on the home page, and there's a prompt here to that's one of the ways you can actually set up the reading plan, but we're going to do it through the File menu. So click File, Reading Plan, and what this will do is open up a menu where you can select what you'd like to read and over how long and when you'd start. So I'm going to be using the NRSV. So I select that as the resource I'm going to read through, but notice you could select anything you wanted. I want to just read the New Testament. I want to read it on weekdays. And then I want to start at the first of the year. So I can select the calendar. And what I want to do is read this in 13 weeks. Then I also want to rename this and call it Steve's Reading. All I need to do is click Go, and it will create that reading plan and tell me how much I would need to read to stay on pace. And I can view this either as a calendar or as a list. As soon as I'm ready to start reading, I just click on the passage. Logos will open up the resource, NRSV, takes me right to the passage I begin reading. So let's say I'm doing my reading. Let me page down to get to the end of it. Once I get to the end of my reading, it tells me that I've gotten there. I can mark off the reading that I've done and see it tells me what I've needed to do and sets up the next reading, which is Matthew 6 through 9. Now, if you're using this resource, if I'm using NRSV and I don't want to see this, I can close the reading plan, the visual filter, but all I need to do to open it back up again is come back up to the visual filter button, and there's Steve's reading. Click that, and it will be there. And as I get done with each reading, just check it off, and I can work my way through, and you can read whatever you'd like in whatever time period with the Bible reading program.